Good morning. It is a new week and we are actually about to do a little bit of thrift shopping today, which I'm really excited about. I'm wearing a very simple outfit, just a denim skirt that I actually remade or made from a pair of pants, and then this Carhartt t-shirt for my boyfriend, just very comfortable, very simple, and these glasses that I got a few days ago. So yeah, very excited to just walk around for a little bit today. I'm hoping to find something for my... I'm hoping to find something for my apartment. Is there anything that you want to look for today?
A jacket, maybe? Oh, smell nice.
Yeah.
Or pleated pants.
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's a pair of tabby boots.
It is so warm today. I think we're getting up to like 30 degrees, which is not normal, and it's also kind of humid and sticky, which again, not normal. So I'm struggling. We left a couple minutes ago, but we're walking to the hospital to meet up with my grandparents because they have an appointment. Oh, they have an appointment today, and after that we have some loose plans here and there, but I mean, I'll film it so you'll see what we're doing, but I'm just hoping that we survive the heat because it's quite intense, to be honest.
I'm Singaporean and I'm struggling, so it is pretty warm.
It's pretty warm.
We just finished up at the hospital.
Like 2-3 hours later.
And I'm reporting live. I had my... Where do I look? I had my first conversation in Swedish with a stranger. Now, I think we only got as far as where do you live, how old are you, and what's your favorite food. He was 80, so he's almost triple my age. But I think I was quite happy that I understood like 4 words, which was quite the achievement for me. Because usually, not only is it hard to understand the language, like reading it is easier, but when they're talking, it's super fast. Like for example, if I were to say like, thank you so much or something, I would say, tack så mycket. And that's the speed that I talk in.
Tack så mycket.
Doesn't sound the same. Suddenly it's a different word. So I'm quite proud of myself. And now we are on to the water.
first time trying matcha. It basically just tastes like vanilla. Because I know there's vanilla syrup in it. It's very sweet. It's basically pure vanilla.
It doesn't. It's not. It doesn't taste like matcha at all. It tastes like it's so sweet that it's almost like pandan. It only has that.
Oh, maybe that's why I like it.
It has that grassy taste or that herbaceous taste, but it's so freaking sweet. That's crazy.
That is amazing. I love this.
I'm scared to try this one now. Okay. Mine isn't sweet. She's not gonna like it.
Anyways, it is, what day is it? Saturday? Like 6:30 p.m. At 7 p.m. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's quite loud. He went on a little, what would you call it? Yesterday? Adventure.
I made it to the city, but I am lost.
That way and to the left.
I think I know where I'm going now. It's not supposed to take an hour, but I made it.
I basically spent all day inside yesterday and today because I think girls would know if it's that time of the month, you just don't want to go outside, especially now when it's so warm. So I have to rest for a bit, but today I'm feeling a bit better, so we're out for a bit of a walk and a cold drink. We just popped into the grocery store quickly. I'm getting some fruit. I'm gonna end it here. Next week we're going to Gothenburg, so stay tuned for that. I'm actually really excited to go in summer. Yeah.